Hello, my name is Daniel Connor. I'm a lecturer at the West Suffolk College, and I'm going to talk you through the Certificate in Financial Studies, a qualification at the college. So this is an additional qualification, so a smaller one. So you'll have a main qualification that you'll sign up for, and then there'll be smaller ones you can do alongside. This will enable your CV to have a suite of qualifications at the end of the year. So you don't do a course, you do a study program at the college. You'll have a main qualification, you'll have maths and English, and you'll also potentially have other smaller qualifications alongside. This would be an example of that. It's specifically focused on personal finance and banking, and it's taught alongside your main qualification. And it's exam assessed, and after 1 year, you'll get a certificate, which is equivalent to half A level. If you do a second year's worth of it, you'll get a qualification equivalent to a full A level. Now, it's backed by the London Institute for Banking and Finance, and that has been going since the 19th century. It's quite reputable. It's actually quite well known in the financial circles. And it provides a number of courses going up to people who want to work in the financial sector. The courses we run here, and they're linked to business, will be personal finance and banking related. Now, the London Institute is based next to London's financial district. It has a very close working relationship with it. The college has been running courses related to the London Institute for Banking and Finance for over 5 years now, and I've been involved from the beginning. So how the course is structured, it's 2 units for each year you do. So most people will do 1 year, and they'll talk about, well, you'll be taught about everyday banking, current accounts, types of savings, credit cards, types of debt, mortgages, and budgeting. So these are some of the key headings. The idea is to make your way in the world, you need to understand how finance works, what different financial products there are, the different pitfalls that you need to be aware of, and how to make good savings returns. Basically, to live a sustainable future and to plan for it. Often people are left to learn this the hard way through trial and error. This qualification is designed to help you avoid some of the major pitfalls and give you the information that we often will learn too late. So the benefits of the qualification, so it helps you with your own financial planning. So if you don't want to work in the financial district, if you don't want a career in banking, it will still be very useful to you because it's information that will help anyone in any career. But if you do want to work in the financial sector, then this will be very useful as a basis with a lot of the key information. Every year, we like to visit the London Institute for Banking and Finance. So this year, we went in December, we visit their headquarters, we go around the financial district, and we also visit the Bank of England. Also, if you've ever wanted to be involved with the stock market, there's a competition that we undertake, which is a LIBF student investor competition. And we set you up and you actually compete for prizes using the real stock exchange. Not real money, but you're given £100,000 and you are tasked to actually spend it and make a return. A lot of students who've been interested in working in the stock exchange or anything involved with stock exchange will find it quite useful as a good practice ground. So here's some photos of a trip we did this year. As you can see, we've been to the Bank of England. We have a good look around the financial district. So if you're thinking of working there, it's the first introduction. So once you've done this smaller qualification, so say at the end of year 2, you've done the BAF pathway, which means you've specialised in finance and accountancy. This qualification will go alongside that. You'd finish the year with a suite of qualifications involved in accountancy, business, and finance. It'd be a very useful route for you to get into the financial sector. If you want to continue your studies with the London Institute for Banking and Finance, Their campus is in London, and you can do a degree there. Now, students who do well on this course and get good grades, they can actually get a sponsorship, which covers a part of their course cost to study in the London Institute for Banking and Finance. And we've had students in the past who've achieved this. Indeed, we've had very good grades over the years, with students achieving top 1% grade in the country. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss anything that's been mentioned, please just email me on this email address. And thank you for your time.